Hello, we're back again, and we are about to do some cool stuff gonna make you excited. Hey, we are back again with Handyman Make Ready, and we're about to teach you some excited stuff here. So, hope y'all enjoy, and please make a subscription and give a good comment that we could continue make these beautiful channel for you. Okay, have a great day, and let's just enjoy how we are installing this Glacier Bay
Christian.
kitchen faucet.
All
Right.
we're gonna take off the old one, which is this right here, because this is old, outdated. We're going on to there to put the new one. Are you ready, Christian? All right.
Oh, you got the lighter?
Yeah. Show them what's the first thing you're gonna do.
Turn off the water.
He's gonna turn off his 2-angle stop. So this guy is gonna show you. He gotta turn off the 2-angle stop. See, he's turning off one. That's the hot one because it's on the left, and he's gonna turn off the cold now, which is on the right. All right, let me go under this so you guys can see what he's doing. See that? It's hot, right? All right. Now, he already turned those off. Now he's gonna loose down the old faucet. Check it and check the water, make sure nothing is coming. See that? And now he's going to you're gonna loose it now, right? Alright. I gotta go under there with this guy. No, he's uncomfortable. He don't want nobody to be right next to him, but right now this is just the situation, alright? Let me see. I gotta go under there so you guys can see what's going on up there.
You see?
Yeah, I can see. So he's gonna loose both of those. Loose with your hand.
Yeah.
These guys probably didn't put it up like that. It's easy, right? You know, some of them sometimes it's difficult to lose. But Christian is doing them so much. I think for him right now it's like, oh, okay, it's just another thing, right? Let me go way up here so you guys can see. Sometimes it's hard to get in these little spots. It takes time for us to actually use the camera at the same time we're working.
I need a smaller one.
Huh?
So I need a smaller one.
You need a smaller ring? I could get it. It's how much is one little nut right there. Get the vice grip then. Let's turn it left. Yeah, you got it? I saw it moving already. Yeah, these stuff, they sometimes not true. Sometimes these stuff give a little work. Well, you just take off the supply line first then.
Take it off right here.
Yeah, just turn that down and see if that's going to help. This is it, see? There it is. You saw it? You saw it?
Yeah.
I'll loose it with my hand now. This is the hot one. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's hot in my face too. You seen all this stuff, right?
Yeah.
We gotta tighten it back and then after that take it out. It's not no hard thing to take these out, but sometimes I am doing make it look so nice and easy. I'm walking the park, but it's not that easy sometimes. Alright, I'm not strong enough for it. And yeah, sometimes these things they come off easy. It's all got to do with position and places at the time. You gotta take off. You pressing it with your hand. Once you hit that, it's gonna record. Once you press it, it's gonna stop recording. The red button. Gotta show you guys how to do this so y'all can know. You gotta clean this stuff up nice, alright? Don't just put back the stuff and dirty stuff, alright? Right, Christian? Alright, you gotta lose your 2 supply line, Christian. Let me hold the camera, you go under there. Get your 2 supply line loose, these. Right there. Take off the left and the right. You see them? You gotta lose both of them.
Come on.
Yeah, you good. I'm gonna cut, you know. I'm gonna fix this baby up. Alonto. Yeah, to me. Come on, you got it. Can you get it? Watch it. Yeah, get in there. That's how you get in there. Don't ever be afraid. And no, next way to me. To me. It's gonna come. Not coming? Taking off his supply line. It's just the camera sometimes killing the time. Alright, give me that one. Now that's the old supply line because the new one these days, they come with new stuff, okay? So he's gonna take out both supply line. Alright. Let me get this prepared for him. The first thing you want to put on is your plate. Plate, all right? So you put your plate right here. I'll show you guys how the plate works. Right. Yeah. Plate first, and then faucet next. When you're ready, tell me, buddy. I want to show them how easy it is to put. Got it. All right, so I'm gonna put the faucet in. You ready for the faucet? All right, let me put it in. Here's all the parts for underneath. You need that. That's the first thing. That's what you're gonna do. I'm gonna put it in and show you guys what we're doing. And sometimes you don't need help. Sometimes you do. Should Christian come here and need your help though? You like hold the camera or something. You put this in for them, but you gotta loose all this stuff. Show them how you drop that in. That's a brand new baby, all right? Look at it, hold on. Watch what it's doing. See that? You gotta put all the wires in, the supply line in. Drop it in. I'm gonna hold it for him. He's going underneath to tighten it up, okay? The piece right there. There it is. There. Yes, you know, you push it up, clip, turn. You know what to do. Lock already? You gotta tighten it. Push it up and then tighten. Once you push, it's gonna lock. Yeah, there you go. Push and lock. I can feel it. A little bit more. Is it? Yeah, you're good. It's tight. A little bit more, but it's tight enough. But just to be sure, one more tight. Let's push it one more. All right, good. All right, let's do the supply line and then the rest of connection. All right, you see, he know which one is red, which one is hot, because the hot one have the wire on it, the paper on it. So that's going on the left side, and the cold one is going on the right. So automatically he already know which one to put where. Good? All right. Let's tighten up the supply line so you guys could see there's no problem there. There's a lot going on in this job. Tighten it, baby. Turn the thing underneath, Christian. Yeah, it's gonna get a better turn. And you kind of twist it out to you like that, and then just, yeah, there you go. Really fast. There you go, buddy. Don't tighten too much. This one is not as big. And then the hot water one now. You did the cold first. Now you're gonna do the hot. Yeah. It's okay. It's just the light. He's doing the hot. He did the cold. You good. You good. It is. The next way, back way. There you go. It's in already. There you go. You know, sometimes when you're working for the camera, it's hard because you trying to position so people could see what you're doing, and at the same time working. It's hard sometimes, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, the next way. Turn it up, back way. Turn your thing the next way. You have it. Turn it round. Yeah, there you go. All right. Got it. Good job. All right. All right. Now put your faucet clip in. This one. You know what to do. Let me show them how you do that, Christian. I want them to see that. So give me a second. Let me turn it up. All right. I want them to see. You ready? All he do is gonna push that in there. You ready? Go for it, buddy. That's it. Clip. You heard the clipping? That's it. All right, that's it. Turn on the water. He's turning on the water. That's it. Turn on back your valve. That's the hot one. Then he's gonna turn on the cold one. And then we're gonna show you guys. See that he's turning on this one now. This is cold. It run to the washer. I always left is hot, but I don't know what's going on here with this connection. All right, let's try the water, Christian. Let's see. We got it a leak, or then you gotta put on your pin afterward. Come through, G. Try the water so they can see your skills. This is what it look like. Brand new baby. Try the water, G. There you go. See that? There you go. Next time. All right. Now you gotta put on your weights. The weights. There's the weights. Put your weights on. Remember your weights you forgot? Your weight, you know where your weight going, right? And the black one. And you see the mark right there, the iron, the piece right there, that's where it's going. All you do is slide it on. Slide on the weight, G.
Sit on this one?
Yeah, right on that one, right there where that mark is. Push that piece on. You got it right. Push that piece on. And then you just slide on the next one on the top. And you're done. The next way. Yeah, back way. Yeah, there you go. Push it down. All right. That's the weight, okay? The weight is the one it done. That's what make the Move your hand, let them see what it is.
Click.
That's what make this move. You saw the weight, you put it on. This is what's gonna happen. When you pull this up, it's going right back down, huh? So the weight keep it in check, all right? All right, so that's how to install a Glacier Bay Kitchen Faucet, brand new. Okay? What else going on under there, Christian? Christian, there's one more thing you gotta do for me. You gotta loose this piece right here, and we gotta put we gotta loose this one. Let me show you. I don't gotta do that on the camera. This, you gotta loose this, and then we put the piece in, remember? So that's how it look, a brand new faucet. I like to see water, so the water is black a little because what happened, he was working on it and hit it up, but after a while it's gonna become clean. Okay. Okay. So you see that? Everything is working perfect. Tight, off, on, brand new, pull out, spray. See? All right. Hope you guys happy with this job. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not. Yeah, let me hold it for you, man. It's gonna be easier if I hold it. All right, go for it. Got it? All right, the next one is somewhere out there in a bag. All right, we go cut.